In this video, we'll be telling about how to add page number to any PDF file. For this, you don't need to install any third-party application. You can do this in your PC or in your mobile phone. I'm using my mobile phone. After taking your phone, open any browser. In browser, search for ilovepdf. When you're searching for ilovepdf, you can see a result like this, www.ilovepdf.com. Open that website. When you're opening that website, you can see a page like this. Scroll down. Down here you can see one option, page numbers. Click on page numbers. When you're clicking on page numbers, you can see a page like this. Now in my phone, there is one file, dummymerged.pdf. Here 4 pages are there. I'm opening this file. You can see page number is not there in this file. I want to add page number to this file. For this, again go to that browser. In that page, you can see one option, select PDF file. Click on select PDF file. When you are clicking on that, you can see one option like this, files. Click on files. When you are clicking on files, you will reach your gallery. From gallery, select the file which you want to add page number. This is the file to which I want to add page number. I am selecting this file. After selecting that file, side here you can see settings button. Click on this settings option. In settings, so many options are there. You can select the position whichever you want. For example, I am selecting bottom center. Now you can see one option, margin. If you want that page number so down, you can select small, or if you want it little above, you can select big. Anyways, I am selecting recommended. Here you can see one option, first number. By default, this is set to 1. If you want to give your first page number any other number, you can do that also. If you want to give your first page number 2, you can do that. Anyways, I am setting it to 1. Here you can see one more option, from page and to. If you don't want every pages to be numbered, you want only 3 pages to be numbered out of 4, you can select this to 3. And if you don't want your first page to be numbered, you can change this. You can change this to 2, 3 or any number whichever you want. Anyways, I am selecting 1. After that, here you can see text option, click on text. In text, so many options are there. If you just want only numbers, you can select recommended option. Or if you want to add page then number, you can select that also. Anyways, I am selecting recommended. And if you want to change font, you can change that. And if you want to make it in bold or italics, you can do that also. And if you want to underline, you can do that also. Anyways, after finishing these settings, down here you can see add page numbers. Click on add page numbers. When you are clicking on that, a new page will come. Here you can see the PDF has page numbers now. Down here you can see one option, download PDF numbered. Click on this download PDF numbered. Now this page will be downloaded. Here you can see that page. I am opening that page. When I am opening that page, down here you can see numbers. In every page, number is there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every page is numbered. So this way you can add page numbers to any PDF file easily. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.